NextWave CNC is focused on continuing to improve the performance and capabilities of our Shark CNCs. Our quality accessories, parts, and innovative tools are all designed to expand creative opportunities while providing maximum performance for our customers who own a Shark. The NextWave CNC Shark HD Series is designed for professional woodworkers and hobbyists with 3 models: the HD 500, HD 510, and the HD 520, each versatile for use in manufacturing environments, woodworking shops, or your own garage. The HD Series features an interlocked T-slot bed that is designed for accuracy and universal clamping. Our advanced design includes anti-backlash, wear-compensated lead screws on all axes. Our aluminum router clamp is designed to accommodate larger routers, as well as the optional NextWave CNC water-cooled spindle. All HD Series machines also come with our color touchscreen pendant with our patented Virtual Zero software that allows you to map out the entire surface area of your next project. All NextWave CNC Shark machines include ready-to-control and Vectric design software, lifetime technical support, and an industry-leading 2-year warranty. The HD 500's table size of 16 inches by 36 inches provides all the Shark HD Series features in a more compact space, while the HD 510's robust 28-inch by 36-inch table is perfect for almost any project. For the professional woodworking shop, the HD 520 has the longest and widest table of any Shark CNC at 28 inches by 63 inches of clamping space. NextWave CNC Shark HD Series of CNCs is the standard by which all other woodworking CNCs are measured, and why Shark is America's #1 CNC. Get yours today when you visit us online at nextwavecnc.com or stop by one of the hundreds of NextWave CNC retail dealers nationwide. NextWave CNC's Shark HD Series machine. World class. Made in USA.